Hey there, what up? Yeah, we're back. Back again, back and better than ever. I think somebody else says that, who I will not mention. I'm saying it now. That's all that matters. Back here with another Codewars exercise. This one is leap years. And yeah, it is from Codewars.com, the beautiful people out there. Good stuff, good stuff. So, this exercise, yeah, it's leap years, and it's really determining, given a year for input, is that year a leap year? And really there's some criteria to determine that. Let's take a look. In this kata, you should determine whether a given year is a leap year or not. In case you don't know the rules, here they are. Years divisible by 4 are leap years. But years divisible by 100 are not leap years. But years divisible by 400 are leap years. So you got some rules there. And it shows you a little range there. Yeah, that range isn't going to matter that much in solving this exercise. But yeah, so it's kind of a logic puzzle using conditional logic, sorta. And really, you gotta just follow the rules, where it's just I'll break it down like this. All leap years are divisible by 4. So that's kind of the barrier to entry. So you really could make, you kind of make one box and say everything divisible by 4, or if it's divisible by 4, it's going to come into this box, and then there's some more conditions. So got to be divisible by 4, but there's some other stuff, because if it's divisible by 4, but also divisible by 100, it's not a leap year. But then again, if it's divisible by 400, it is a leap year. So, but really, these are the guidelines that are going to get you to success, and you really got to put these guidelines into code. That's what it is. So, do some erasures here. But the first barrier to entry is divisibility by 4. So all leap years are divisible by 4. So that's right off the bat, I can make that distinction. If year is divisible by 4, and use modulo, for the remainder joint. Checking for divisibility is typically done with modulo in programming. I'm sure most of you know that. Just saying for those who don't. And really, most of the stuff's going to happen inside of the body of this if statement, because years divisible by 4 are leap years, but there's more stipulations here. Second thing, if years divisible by 100 are not leap years, but the ones divisible by 400 are, you're really going to have two conditional statements covering these two. The placement is very important, because if you place them in the wrong places, you're going to get some incorrect assessments, or you're going to catch the wrong thing in the wrong place. Because really, all years divisible by 400 are also divisible by 100. So if you put the 400 in a conditional statement below the 100, you're going to miss years that are leap years. So we have to actually put the divisible by 400 first in order to catch those that are, because all years divisible by 400 are also divisible by 100, so you're going to shut yourself out if you have the 100 first. And now I'll demonstrate after I get the solution out. So if that mod 0, then you got a true. Now I didn't really say this before. Well, I didn't say a couple of things. This is a Python exercise, and the function returns true or false if the year is a leap year or not. So So there's that. And so 4 divisible by 400, yes. Divisible by 100, only, no. Return false. I think that says false. Yep. So those are the important ones, really. And yeah, those are obviously the important ones. What you have here is, let's say it's not divisible by 4. What's the alternative? If it is not divisible by 4, the year, it's not a leap year. So the else to the if would be to return false. Falsetto. Yes. And I believe that is it. So let's run this and check it out. Aha! We have incorrectness. Oh yeah, I forgot one case. So got my false, got my trues and false. What about if the year is not divisible by 400, not divisible by 100? There are some other cases. If it's not divisible by either of these, but it is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. Yes, sir. So 2020 was not caught, and now it is. Attempt. Roger that. So we got that, and we see that the 400's before the 100. Now I want to show you what if I flip these and turn the 100 and 400, flip them up. I'm going to catch the wrong stuff. Yep. And yeah, I get a lot of incorrects because things get swallowed up by this first condition and they miss divisibility by 400 because all numbers divisible by 400 are also divisible by 100. So it's going to catch. So it gotta be the other way. Gotta. All right, we are back in business with some solid good code, and that means it's time for me to go. Adios, y'all. See y'all on the flip side. See you later.